What's up, everybody? It's STBZ bringing you another headphone review. Same day, I got both headphones today. This time I'll be doing the Wicked Tour headphones by Wicked Audio. On the front, it has a nice little design, guitar and stuff on this side. And it says Gain Independence right there. So, on the side, I don't know if you'll be able to read this, but it says, this one right here says Enhance Bass, on-ear fit, and high fidelity. On the back, it says, salute your style and be free to rock out loud. Specs, it has a 40mm drive. Impedance is 32 OHM. The frequency is 20 by 20 Hertz, and then the cord length is 4 feet long. So it's very nice. On both sides, it has the couple specs, Enhanced Bass, on-ear fit. So now I'm going to take my trusty box cutter right here, and on the top it has tape right about here. Cut that, and I'll just cut that. Then you can just put that down, open it up like this, and then the first thing you see inside the box is the top of the headphone. So you just pull this, comes right out like that, like so. Then it has nice little background screen. I don't know if you see that because of the glare from my computer. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. And just like the other, it has this little thing that carry the cord. Just take this out. And these headphones cost me $20 at my local music store, and I could have bought the Beats, but I decided not to. I'd rather get two headphones than just one really expensive one that could break, because I've seen a couple bad reviews on them. So as you can see, oh wow, that's a nice feature they have. Alright, so I was just messing around with it a little bit, and basically you can flip this up like that, down, or up or down, whatever, and then flip that, and it's like this, and then you can push it like that, snap that right back into place, pop this out, and it snaps into place. So don't be afraid to give it a little force. And then it also spins like this, so you can wear it around your neck. It spins out so you can wear it around your neck. Also, so that's a nice little feature too. So top, it has a nice little design. Side, it has a lightning bolt. Then it has this nice design with the Wicked logo on this side, and same with the other side. And you can also adjust the length. I don't know how many adjustable lengths you can pull it to, but it has a nice adjustable length. So that's the unboxing of this headphones. I will try here. I'm gonna take this, I'm plugging it into my iPod, and I'm gonna play some music, see how loud it could be. So that's actually very nice quality from it. I probably should did that with the Wicked, but just so you guys know, the Wicked had better quality because it was more expensive. And this one is a little bit more flimsy with cheaper material. But I like how this one actually has nice paddings right here, and it has very nice padding right here. So that's my unboxing of and sound test of the Wicked Tour. Thank you. Have a good day, everybody.